Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Properties, and I am at my listing here in Celina in Glen Crossing, and it is ready for us to do a tour. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and give y'all the grand tour. All right, here we go. We are on I guess this is kind of like a cul-de-sac. So it is like on a curve, right? It's a nice little location. So we have a larger yard than a lot of the homes here. Let's go on inside. We got awesome new plants in the front. It's just been recently done by the seller. It's very pretty. Now, last video you guys saw, we had it professionally staged, and then I've come in here and added a few little touches. So as you come in, we've got a beautiful 2-story foyer, and then this awesome curved staircase up to the second level, for which there's an office right on the first landing. It's really beautiful. And you've got a little closet here with shelving. And then the laundry room is right in the front of the house too. So you've got some shelving and a hanging rod, and then you turn around in here and there's room for a fridge or freezer, or just storage if you don't want to put either one of those in there. Okay, so back out. We're gonna go straight on in where we have the heart of the home, the kitchen, the dining, and the living. It's all one big space. And this is why we stage, so that you can see just how to break up something like this. So I'm gonna flip around and focus on the kitchen for a moment. You have an island that easily fits 3 stools. You could fit another 1, possibly 2 under there. It's a nice giant island. Beautiful counters, quartz countertops. The fridge is negotiable in this listing, y'all, so if you are interested, whenever you make an offer, be sure to include that. You have a gas cooktop, really pretty backsplash. It's like a Carrara marble. It's really, really pretty. And then check out this pantry. I like the pantry because it's an automatic light, so as soon as you shut the door, it turns off. When you open it, it turns back on. Ginormous pantry. Very cool. And then, all right, before we go down that hall, let's go over here. Well, look, this is a big old dining table. This seats 6, but you could easily fit an 8 or 10 person table here. This is a big space. And then it goes right on over to the living area. So the way the stagers have it done is these 2 chairs and a sofa, and then you've got end tables on either side, coffee table, and then a buffet table over there, or entertainment center. Lots of windows in here. Really love that. Makes it feel bright and airy and large. So I'm gonna flip it around so you can see what it all looks like from this angle. Upstairs is the game room, so we'll go check that out in a minute. While I'm back here, this is a nice big patio. The sellers had wanted to extend it, so they paid extra for that when this house was built by Perry Homes in 2018. There we go. And like I was saying, we've got a big yard over here. And your next door neighbor's dog is waiting to meet you. Big old yard, y'all. Big, big, big. And then it even goes around the corner the other side. And it's muddy, so I'm not gonna go over there, but we had pictures taken of it, so y'all check those out in the listing. Okay. Now we're gonna go see the master bedroom. Okay, which is right in here. Nice big master. Love those windows. Vaulted ceiling. It's very, very pretty in here. So this is a king size bed that they've staged with. And I mean, a king size bed's big enough, but then you have those giant nightstands on either side, just to give you a reference of how large this room is. You could fit a lot of furniture in here. And then you have a double door entry into the master bath. So that's the tub with the shower behind. And you have his and hers vanities. And then a little water closet on the right. You have the master closet here on the left. Big closet. Lots and lots and lots of hanging storage. I just love these tubs. They're so pretty. And then you got the shower. And back here is a walk-in linen closet. Yep, that would hold a big old thing of toilet paper from Costco easily. All right, let's go back out, check out the rest of the house. All right, so this little hallway on the right that I passed over before, this particular home has 4 beds, 4.5 baths. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs, the master and then this one. And real quick, here's the half bath tucked in over here. So you've got a little half bath. So cute. And then the first of 3 secondary bedrooms. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets, generously sized walk-in closets, might I add. Big old walk-in closet. And then an ensuite bathroom. All of the bathrooms have medicine cabinets. And hello, there's your shower. I really like the countertops in here. I wanted to kind of zoom in on that. That's really pretty. Oh, and then the floor tiles. That is what is in all of the bathrooms, including the master. So, okay. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Oh, you know, this is the garage. I don't really want to open the door because my sellers still have some stuff in there. So by the time you guys come and see it though, this weekend, it will be empty, and it is a 3-car tandem. And they even have the epoxy flooring done in that garage. So really great little extra bonus. So we kind of saw this already, but here's your office. And then the doors have an etched glass. I kind of like this is easier to clean than when they have the wood pieces in there. So, okay. And then as we go up the curved staircase, you have little shelves that you can put stuff on, like what we've got here. And then, oh yeah, and this carpet's really cool. I like this carpet. And then if you look above the front door, there's another little shelf. So all of these little decorative areas for you guys, if you like to decorate. All right, and the game room, ta-da! So pretty. It is really nicely lit up here. So we'll go look over to the downstairs. Very nice. Kind of gives you a view of what's outside. Let's see what our neighbors are doing. Oh, there's the boy making all the noise when we were out there. And you see the neighbor's dog. Hey, Fido. All right. Now, the other 2 secondary bedrooms. So, this is the first. These are really big bedrooms too. So I love Perry Homes because they're so generous with the sizing of the rooms and the closets. So another large walk-in closet. Yeah. this bedroom, you guys, you could easily fit a king size bed and a dresser and maybe another dresser. It's a large room. And then this bathroom will serve for that bedroom that we just walked, as well as the game room. This is really pretty. Whoever staged this did a great job. And the last of the secondary bedrooms. This one has an ensuite bath, just like the one downstairs. The sellers had chosen to add this fourth bath to this plan, so that's a nice bonus. And there's your one of the attic access points. And then this bathroom. And there you go. Very pretty. It looks great. You guys need to come see it in person so you can tell for yourselves whether this is gonna work for you. But I can tell you right now, this is, oh my gosh, there's another dog. Sorry, squirrel. There are 2 dogs back there. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna flip this back around. Okay, sorry about that. I saw another dog back there and it threw me off. Anyway, all right, so this is this beautiful home. We are in Glen Crossing in Celina. This is an up and coming community, guys. If you don't know about Celina, give me a call. I would love to tell you about it. My family and I live here and we love it. It's a great community. It's going to be the next Frisco. This is where you want to live. If you already live here and you're thinking about maybe upgrading, or maybe you need to move for a job or whatever, please give us a call, because we don't just help buyers buy, we like to help sellers sell, which is what we're doing with this house. So if you want us to help you get the most money for your house in this amazing market, please give us a call. I look forward to seeing you guys. I'm gonna hold this home open on Saturday from 1 to 4. I would love to meet you in person. Otherwise, I will see y'all in my next video. God bless and take care. Bye.